Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Now I will be making bead bracelet like this one. I already done this before, but now I'm gonna show you another technique on how to make a bead bracelet using double nylon thread. Okay, I have here my materials: a nylon thread, and a mixes of assorted beads, and a scissor. Only these materials I have. So I'll be taking one strand of this nylon thread. I'm going to make double of this. I will use double this. So guys, let's get started. Let's see. Okay, I'm using double thread. Okay, so guys, here. Okay, okay, here it is, guys. See, I made a double nylon. So I'm going to check this one if already fits for my okay. Okay, this is fit for me already. I'm gonna lock it like this. I have to lock it very tight so that it will. Okay, I'm done, guys. Here it is. If you do like, guys, my video, please press the like button, subscribe, and press the notification bell so that you will be notified if I upload a new video. So guys, here it is. See, okay, thank you so much, guys, for watching. God bless to all of you.